Hi, Reyna. This is Sara here for your reading for the week. And this story is called Rainstorm. Today I will go out and play. When I look outside and see the rain, I am very sad. When I hear the thunder, I am very mad. Now that the storm is done, I will play in the mud. It is not that bad. Now I am having fun and I am very glad. And some questions to think about. What does the character in this story want to do? Why can't the character go out and play at the beginning of the story? Why is it muddy outside? And why do you think the character is glad at the end of the story? So I hope you enjoyed reading this week. Have a great week and weekend, and I will chat with you next week. Bye.